All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Hey, we have Dave Watson here from Watson Builder. We're continuing on with this huge construction project, and today is Thursday, September the 15th already, 2016.
Yeah, about, what did we do our first video? About 2.5 weeks ago?
I think so.
Since then, we've had several inspections. The inspectors found a couple things that we had to redo, and we had to basically excavate all the footings around the house and underpin, what's called underpin the footings. The footings that were called out on the plans were not the actual footings that were here on site. So we had to underpin all of them. Should have seen it. It was awful for the people who were digging it. So we basically excavated all of this section here, dug out underneath the footings, put in our steel rebar, put in some construction earthquake retrofit hardware. So we basically did all of this. We can't do the whole entire house because you can't underpin it all at the same time. Otherwise the house would fall down if all the footings were exposed. So there are sections that still need to be done. But a lot of it has been done. This is all going to get covered up and concrete will get poured. So the next step is a little bit more excavation and calling out for another inspection. We also did that same thing on this side of the house. And Howard, you probably want to go in front of me and walk back so you're not in the sun.
So what's going on here at the side of the house?
So over here, we did the same thing that we did on the far side. We excavated. We tore out a good amount of dirt so that we could fill in with new concrete. So
don't fall in the hole, right?
Yeah, don't fall in the hole.
Be careful.
Happened once, huh?
So
yeah. So next step is getting the inspector out to approve everything, to approve the depths, to approve our new footings, and then to give us the okay to completely cover. We're probably 50% through with the concrete stage. So this is just a work in progress, Howard. We're doing good. The inspectors have loved the work. He came out. He was very excited about the progress. He was excited about how clean the footings were dug and how our rebar was all running, straight and it was all tied off well and braced perfectly. So we definitely got off on a good foot with the inspector here. So the next inspection is probably either Monday or Tuesday.
Great.
After that, we're going to start digging into the framing. So there's quite a bit of framing corrections that they want us to do. After that, we go up. We start framing the second story. I'm hoping we can start that in the next couple of weeks. That would be amazing. So we could actually see physical structure being built, not stuff that just gets buried. The sad thing is that a lot of the money is buried. You don't see, there's so much concrete work here, but it's just going to be covered up. No one knows how much, all that stuff is so expensive. Underpinning work it's like one of the most difficult things in the industry, but yet it gets completely covered. And no one even knows about it, can't even appreciate the amount of time and money that went into these footings. Anyway, it's been fun so far. We'll keep it going. So let's just walk back around here, and we're back where we started. So here we are right here. We're ready for the next, ready for our next inspection.
Great. So that's pretty much it, huh, for right now?
That's pretty much it for now. Probably hoping another 2 weeks we can do another video, and hoping by then we'll actually have something to show on the framing.
It'll just get better, correct?
It'll just get better.
We're just moving up.
It just gets better from here. It's all uphill, Howard.
All right, then. Perfect. Well, thank you very much for the information, and we'll be back again soon to talk more.
Sounds good.
All right, that's Howard Shore and Dave Watson from Watson Builder.
Got it.